how to view Facebook feed in chronological order. Firstly, you need to launch the application. Then, when you get up right here on your site selection, which is called System Site Feed, you know that site, which is so important for you. What you can do next, simply to take off on that selection, it is by getting on the three dots on your right upper side. Then simply right here, if you go see more, you're gonna find out many different sites which are related on your main thing. Alright, from here, what you can do to take off on that selection, you can simply go on the site, which is right down, go for recent and favorites. And right now, as you can see on your upper side, you have three different options in which you're going to take off your chronological order. You can take it to favorite, to recent, or home, or simply go on the last selection, which is by filtering your system, and then simply you can take it to the main point. For me, the main point, it is getting on home and show most relevant posts first.